but we will do ourselves from Windsor University to do also Canadian Resident Matching Service is trying to come to St. Kitts to give a presentation, and we wanted to show our students references as to what testimonials, what they think. There were several reasons why those testimonials were taken from the students.
Well, thank you, Dr. Gadam, for the quality time you spent with me in clarifying questions about Windsor. Before we conclude, do you have any closing comments?
Well, first of all, I'd like to thank the worldtimesonline.com for having me here. And also I'd like to thank you and everybody for giving me an opportunity to express myself, clarify a lot of things. And my one thing, Venu, I just want to let you know that I'm 12 years into this now. You know, I have been instrumental in developing the program at Windsor. We have been instrumental in containing the costs for the students. I have been instrumental in running the program, bringing the faculty. I have developed a lot of programs like assignments, online tests. I have developed case studies, seminars. I have developed WIN concepts. When my students go to the hospitals, when the attending physicians in the hospitals ask about the concepts, for example, how do you calculate the arterial blood gases? Can you do a renal clearance? Those are the concepts I have developed so that students who graduate from Windsor University must have knowledge base to do that. I will keep doing that. I will continue to do that.
Yeah.
And I will work hard for this institution. No matter what people think, no matter what people write on the forums, no matter what online papers write, no matter what they do, it doesn't hurt me. I like to stick to it. I leave it to God, and I will do my best. I am honest, and I've never done anything wrong. I will continue to put effort for Windsor University students, and I'm telling the parents and students to have trust and confidence in Windsor University, and we will do the best we can. Now tomorrow they may say that this article or this your interview may be because of the unrest at Windsor, just because you said that.
Right.
It's not true. You wanted an interview. There are a lot of people who want an interview from me, and I can't take interviews from everybody because of my busy schedule. I'm in and out. I have to get clinical contracts from many hospitals, and if I am there, anybody wants to interview me, I'm there. So I will, as long as I'm the president of Windsor University, student is my first priority, and keeping the costs low and giving an affordable medical education, and also making medical education accessible to all sects of society, even lower socioeconomic societies, and irrespective of whether federal funding is there, irrespective of whether financial resources from the banks are there or not, I will do my best to keep this school growing. And you will see in 2011 the new auditorium that is coming up. Then I would like to invite you to come and look at our new campus.
Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you very
and
much.
Best wishes for the school going forward.
Thank you.
Yeah.